Alright everybody, the turbo kit came in, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what all came inside.
Okay, let's go.
Not bad. That's not bad at all. I love it. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be so awesome. Check that out. T3, T4. Alright, look at that. This is gonna be great. Can't wait to mount this up. In a cooler. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. That's beautiful. So can't wait to mount that. We're gonna mount this on next episode. So you guys stay tuned.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Down there, so now we just gotta, oh, we got an O2 sensor down there, we just gotta disconnect, and let's go. Alright everybody, we're gonna go ahead and get the turbo prepared for us. We're gonna go ahead and first we're gonna start with breaking the turbo loose so we can actually set the degree that we need it to be. As you know, the exhaust, the feed line needs to be at the top, the drain line needs to be towards down the bottom so it can run towards the oil pan. So we're gonna go ahead and clock all this right now. You want me to do it? Yeah, I'll probably do it. Here, let me do it. Yeah. We're going to drop the turbo. Oh shit, we're tightening. Why are we tightening? There we go.
There's one, two.
And we just want to loosen them up just enough so we can spin this clockwise.
Check this out. Ooh, that thing is clean.
Pretty. Yeah, you probably gotta get kind of far away so we get too close. Alright, so now that is loose. We should be able to turn this now.
I would think it is this one right here.
Oh yeah, I think it is this one. No, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now we release this side. So we can clock this side.
I just heard something click. The jack stands.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so now this is all loose and ready to go to get mounted onto this. Alright y'all, we got the holes lined up here for the intercooler. We're just tapping in the last hole right now, and we're going to go ahead and mount this intercooler in. I actually found some old Honda AC bolts that I had just laying around in a bucket. I have a bucket full of random bolts, and I had these old AC Delso AC brackets that I worked on a long time ago. I actually have a bunch of them, and I just tried it in the intercooler, and it like perfectly fit in there. All right, let me show you. So here's the intercooler here. I just literally put it right in there, and it just, the same threading pattern is the same. So it's really awesome. I was like, wow, that's awesome. So there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and use that, and we're gonna mount it on. Just like that. Let's hand tighten it on that first, just to make sure we got the right bolt pattern. That's good. Uh-oh, this one's not working right. Okay. Go ahead and hit it. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let's take a look at that. Woo-hoo. There she goes. All right, y'all. We officially got the intercooler mounted. It's on there. Straight up, lined up. We had the turbo mounted. We had to grind down a little bit of the chassis. Also had to move the slave cylinder. So we're going to mount that, and then we'll come back and get the slave cylinder up under it. We can move the turbo and adjust it. But we're going to keep on going.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, everybody. So here's the radiator fan out of the Civic. I actually took it out. It was bumping. The turbo was bumping against the fan. So what I did is I went online and ordered a. So it is here. Look at the comparison to that. It's a big difference. I believe this is a 12-inch. Looks like it's about the same size as the stock one. So that should work perfectly. And it's way more thinner, way more flush. And it comes with the clips and everything to install it, which is this here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's three springs, 3 zip ties, and it looks like some Velcro. Yep, some Velcro. So, which I probably won't use. We're just going to use the springs and the zip ties, and we'll throw it right into the condenser, and that'll make it work better, make more newer looking too. So, all right, and then I'm going to go ahead and splice these open right here. I'm going to wire this in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this clip, and I'm literally just going to take it over to this side and wire it in the same way that goes. So this does have some butt connectors, so I might just butt connect it all together. All right.